Polish food is often underestimated. Ask foreigners to name Polish dishes, and most will probably mention pierogi. But Polish cuisine goes far beyond pierogi. From smoky mountain cheese to rich soups, crispy potato pancakes, traditional cakes, and slow-cooked stews, Poland has a huge variety of food that deserves much more international attention. So here are 10 Polish foods that deserve world recognition. Makowiec is one of Poland's classic cakes. It is made with a sweet yeast-based dough and a rich filling of poppy seeds, often combined with nuts, dried fruit, honey, and other ingredients. It is especially popular during Christmas and other celebrations. What makes makowiec special is its combination of sweetness and texture. It is not just another cake. It is strongly connected with Polish traditions and family celebrations. And outside Poland, it remains surprisingly unknown. Next are kluski śląskie or Silesian dumplings. These small potato dumplings are famous for their distinctive round shape with a small indentation in the middle. They are simple, soft, and usually served with meat and a rich sauce. The indentation is not just decorative. It helps hold the sauce, making every bite more flavorful. Kluski śląskie show one of the strengths of Polish cuisine. Simple ingredients can create something extremely satisfying. Few Polish foods look as distinctive as Oscypek. This smoked cheese comes from the mountain regions of southern Poland and is traditionally associated with the Tatra area. It has a firm texture, a smoky flavor, and a distinctive decorative shape. It can be eaten cold, but grilled Oscypek is especially popular. Served warm, often with cranberry sauce, it becomes a completely different experience. Oscypek also represents something important about Polish cuisine. Many Polish foods are strongly connected to specific regions. They are not simply recipes, they are part of local culture. Racuchy are Polish pancakes that deserve much more attention. They are usually soft and fluffy, and apple racuchy are among the most popular versions. They are simple, affordable, and extremely comforting. For many people, they are connected with childhood and home cooking, and that is exactly why they stand out. Polish cuisine does not always try to be complicated. Sometimes the best dishes are the simplest ones. Now to Poznań. Kaczka po poznańsku, or Poznań style duck, is one of the dishes that represents the city's culinary identity. Roasted duck is traditionally served with sides such as potatoes, red cabbage, and regional dumplings. It is rich, filling, and built around familiar Polish ingredients. What makes it interesting is how strongly regional Polish cuisine can differ from one city or region to another. Poland does not have just one food culture, it has many. And Poznań is a perfect example. Gołąbki are another classic Polish dish. They are cabbage leaves filled with a mixture that traditionally includes meat and rice, then cooked together with sauce. The ingredients are simple, but the result is incredibly satisfying. Gołąbki are also a great example of Polish home cooking. They are the kind of food that can feed an entire family, can be prepared in large quantities, and becomes even better when the flavors have time to develop. Yet internationally, they remain far less famous than similar dishes from other parts of Europe. Few foods demonstrate the power of potatoes better than placki ziemniaczane. Polish potato pancakes are made from grated potatoes and other simple ingredients before being fried until crispy. They can be served in different ways, from savory toppings to sweet versions. The contrast is what makes them so good. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and full of flavor despite using very basic ingredients. Potato pancakes exist in different forms around the world, but the Polish version deserves its own international spotlight. Bigos is one of Poland's most iconic traditional dishes. Often called hunter's stew, it combines sauerkraut, fresh cabbage, meat, mushrooms, and other ingredients. The exact recipe can vary from family to family, and that is part of its identity. Bigos is not about one perfect recipe, it is about slow cooking and deep flavor. It is also strongly associated with Polish winters, family gatherings, and traditional celebrations. The longer it cooks, the more developed the flavors become. Bigos may not look spectacular, but Polish cuisine has never depended only on appearance. It depends on flavor. At number 2 is Żurek. This traditional Polish soup has a distinctive sour flavor because it is made using fermented rye starter. It is often served with sausage, potatoes, eggs, and other ingredients. And that sour taste immediately separates Żurek from most other European soups. It is particularly associated with Easter, but it is enjoyed throughout the year. For anyone discovering Polish cuisine for the first time, Żurek can be a surprise. It does not taste like the typical soups found elsewhere. And that uniqueness is exactly what makes it memorable. And of course, number one has to be pierogi. Pierogi are already known internationally, but they still deserve even greater recognition. The reason is simple. There are countless possibilities. Potato and cheese, meat, cabbage and mushrooms, seasonal fruit. Different regions and families have their own versions. Pierogi can be boiled, fried, served with onions, sour cream, butter, or other toppings. They can be a main meal, a celebration dish, or a simple comfort food. And perhaps most importantly, pierogi represent Polish cuisine perfectly. They are simple, versatile, affordable, and deeply connected to Polish culture. These 10 foods show why Polish cuisine deserves more attention. Polish food is not built around one ingredient or one style. It combines centuries of history, regional traditions, seasonal ingredients, and home cooking. There are mountain dishes, Silesian dishes, Poznan specialties, Christmas traditions, Easter traditions, and countless family recipes passed from one generation to the next. Some Polish foods are already becoming more popular internationally, but many remain relatively unknown outside the country, and that may be changing. As more people discover Poland, they are also discovering its food. Because Polish cuisine has something that is increasingly appreciated around the world: food with identity. Not everything needs to be reinvented. Sometimes the best dishes are the ones that have been prepared the same way for generations. So, which Polish food deserves to become the next international favorite? Pierogi, Żurek, Bigos, Oscypek, or something completely different? One thing is certain: Polish cuisine has far more to offer than the world currently realizes.